Tip 29.
Where? Where is the telephone? It's on the desk. Where can it be? The lamp is on the table. She's under the table. They're toasting over the table. Inside the house. Children are in front of the house. Outside the house. He is standing. She sit down.
Tip 29.
Exercise. Fishing. John's standing. The furniture was inside the house. They're toasting over the table. Children were joking in front of the house. The girl is under the table. Mary sat down. The telephone is on the desk. The trees are outside the house.
Tip 29.
Exercise. Crossword. Downstairs. Next to. Here. There. Sit down. In. Standing. Across. Under.